So hey guys, welcome back to my Python series, and today in this video we will learn a Boolean logic system in Python. So what Boolean logic system does is it is used when we want to check multiple conditional statements. So here let's just today build a simple user login system so that you will understand what how Boolean logic system works in Python. So here in our user login system, there will be one username and let it be Shrutik. And here in the password, let the password be Shrutik123. Here inside the if statement, username is equal to Shrutik and password equal to Shrutik123. And if it is, we will print valid user. And if it isn't, we will print invalid user. So here in the output, yeah, our user is valid. So what basically happened is we just check that is our username is equal to Shrutik or not, which is. So here our first condition is true, and then our password is equal to Shrutik123 or not. So yes, our second condition is also true. And what basically AND does is it's just check both the condition, and here to execute the code inside the if, these both condition must be true. If one of the condition is false, let me just show you. If we just replace this Shrutik with ignite, and then we will just run our code. So you can say in the output invalid user is printed. This code inside the else is printed. So here what end did is here our username of first condition was wrong. We just changed it with ignite, so it returned false. And the second one returned true. But to execute the code inside the if statement, this both condition must be true when you have just written here and if I just change this and with or, this is another boolean operator. So what and will or will do is it will just check it will just check one of the condition. Okay, if one is true, it's okay. If second one return false, then also it will just print the code inside the if statement. So for if to be executed when you have written or, it is not compulsory or it is not necessary that both the condition should be true. Okay, if single condition is true, it will print the code inside the if statement. But here keep that in mind. If both the condition returns false, then and then only the code inside the else will be executed. So this is how OR works in Python. So these were some important Boolean operators in Python which you should know. And in my upcoming videos, we will just use these operators more and more. So practice these operators. Stay tuned for my next videos. Bye bye.